Stop.
Oh. Howdy. Welcome back, y'all. We're gonna go shoot a match. Now, before I give the whole intro later in the thing there, I showed up to this match completely and totally unprepared. I stayed up way too late with Panone. And I just was like, let's go, man. And I forgot my rig. I forgot my whole rig at home. Luckily, Mike Panone, the ever-prepared human that he was, he had a Blackhawk Glock holster that my gun would fit in, actually. Fit kind of good in. And then he had 2 little mag pouches for me. So I wore the belt I had on my jeans, and I just went out and I just shot the match. So just kind of going to show y'all, it doesn't take a lot. You don't need the big old fancy rigs and everything else. Now, I do think it is great to have a rig specifically just for competition, especially if you're going to do it, you know, like a once-a-month thing or something like that. But I highly recommend it. Which I think is a whole other video and conversation. But I was able to do it with 2 little clip-on mag pouches and and my little 511 mag pouch jean pocket there. And I went and I shot this match. And I blew up my Infinity. As far as what's wrong with it, I think it's the ejector. I think it broke my ejector. It might be an extractor problem as well, but I'm having my good friend Armando go over the whole gun tomorrow because I got 2 good matches this next weekend. So anyway, let's get on with the video. Howdy, lads and lassies. Today we are at the Oh Shoot match here in Prado. It's hot out, it's nice, it's sunny, a little breeze to our back. And we got a pretty rad squad. We got a whole bunch of guys from Orange County Sheriff's Department and LA County Sheriff's Department, training division guys. A couple Grandmaster shooters with us today. Kyle Litzy ain't here because he's scared of me, because he's dodging me. He doesn't want to shoot with me because it hurts his pride to see me do so well, and my humility. It's such, I'm not editing that, hell with it. Anyway, here's shooting today. Gonna shoot this match. Hope you guys enjoy it. Like, subscribe, all that stuff, fun stuff, guys. Leave comments down below how good we shot or how much we sucked and all that fun stuff. I'm gonna try to show you guys some of the other good shooters here. My boy Gabe's here. He's so fast. Mike Panone's here kicking everybody's butt right now, showing us all how it's done. It's a good day. It's a pretty good day. Sun's out, guns out. Let's go. Ready. Stand by.
If you're finished on mode, show clear. Clear, side 4, hammer down, holster. Range.
Stand by.
.36. Flamboyant step at the end. I know, right? Are you ready? Stand by. Clear 1729. Over again. Clear.
On the move, hits the steel on the move. What do you think of that? Are you gonna do the same thing?
Pretty smooth, but no, I'm not.
That's smooth with a V. With a V.
If you're finished, unload your clear. Clear, hammer, and hold. Clear!
He moves so fast with both hands on the gun. How do you do that?
Out of the bucket, stapler out of the bucket.
Stapler. We need a stapler. Gabe broke things. We need a stapler out of the bucket. What'd you think of that, Pat?
I thought that was a good
This
run.
Pat, he's a rock star. Y'all don't know him? Google him. Here's his name right here. I'll put a link in the bio, description bio. There's all the socials. That doesn't make any sense. I'm not good at this.
Did those bullets sound like some were loud and some were quiet?
Yeah.
Like hand loads or
Yeah,
something?
it's like a weird, I don't, he's cheating, man. He's selling them cheater bullets.
Not shooting with the cowboy hat on, Luke? You being modest?
Never do, man. I'm here to go fast, not look cool. Unlike others.
Oh,
I'm
get
not
out of
saying
here,
who.
bro. Get out of here, man. Yeah, I do. I handle my business. Except for today, you know.
Byron, we all shoot with you. Come on. We know that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We found Byron dead in the parking lot. He committed suicide.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Need a real rituals.
Stop.
Stop.
You know what happened. Let's see what we got. Mag's going on. Try and rack it open. Your call. Okay, well, it's clearly done. Good. You alright? Your hand? Alright.
Overcharged round, or?
What do you think?
I don't know.
Double charge or?
Yeah.
Thanks, Mr. Bauer.
Clear.
So Luke, so what happened there?
I don't know. Something went real boom. Looks like a case ruptured, exploded, locked the gun all up. And oddly enough, the gun feels fine. I should probably test fire it once.
I would think so.
But
Or your
yeah,
hand's fine.
that was a little. Yeah. It's right there. I'm a little wound up. I got exploded in the face, but hands all black. I think my face a little black is what it is. We'll see if it works. Maybe I can. I think I can shoot. It might. I get reshoot because he's talking, right? So I had a catastrophic failure. So now I'm shooting. This is a cool Glock. It's a Terran Tactical Glock 34. And, you know, John Wick activated. All right, Glock of Terran Butler. Glock bang. Shoot ready, stand by.
Finish unloading, show clear. Slide down. Range is clear. 1741.
1741. Wow, so ruthless. Easy. Ruthless. Brutal. It's not about the shooter or anything.
Are you ready? Stand by. Clear. 1184.
Bruh.
What are you ready?
Why are you trying to beat me with your own gun? This sport is for ladies as well.
Stand by.
That's why I'm a big guy too. I told you.
Hell yeah, no. Hell yeah. Are you ready? Stand by.
Nice, Gabe.
It was like pop it.
Stand by. Unload, show clear. Slide down, hammer, holster. Range is clear. 1129. Ladies and gentlemen,
Stand by.
Mike Pannone.
Clear hammer and holster. Clear once.
Like, don't get lazy.
Forget where you at.
But it's awesome. I mean, you got like capability of hang.
Yeah.
The rich ones are good. I know. Yeah, I know. Right?
Shoot ready. Stand by. Finish unload, show clear. Slide down, hammer, holster. Range is clear.
Lollipop, Eric.
1670.
Lollipop. It needs a lollipop. It needs a lollipop. I need to lollipop this. I need to lollipop this.
It's a Glock, you know. It's just what it is. That was a fun match.
Did you have fun? No? Did you have fun?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah?
Hell
Okay.
yeah.
Did you have fun?
Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit.
Did you have fun? Oh yeah, you always have fun. He's just a fun guy. He's all around fun guy. That's what we're doing. I'll see you next time, right?
Oh yeah.
Are you leaving?
Oh, yeah.
You're out of here. You're not gonna tape, huh? Okay. Did you have fun?
I'm still shooting, baby.
Okay, let's go.
That's the match, guys. That was the match. Blew up the gun. You know, I blew up the gun. I shot a Glock. Had fun shooting a Glock. It was great. If you just need to go buy a gun and go shoot a match, just go buy a Glock 34, drop in a little Timney trigger, maybe send it off to Terran Tactical, get some base pads, get the grip ball, you know, sticky. I also really recommend if you're a Glock guy, the Glock store, Lenny McGill's store. My friend Lenny McGill Jr. works there as well. He did a carbide grip job to a P09 of mine that was just so good. And that Glock shot good. That Glock shot great. I had fun. I didn't do awesome. I didn't do horrible. I had 2 stage wins, but I zeroed out that one stage that you guys saw there, and that sucks. But I think I still came in 4th or 5th place. If you ever want to see scores or any of that kind of stuff, guys, practicescore.com, PRG, Prado running gun. You can look up all that kind of stuff for you nerds out there that want to go see how we all did or how any of us did or check times and all that kind of stuff. More than welcome to go do that. That's what Practice Score is there for. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I would love to be posting fishing videos, but the fishing has sucked lately. The fishing is horrible. None of us are catching fish. None of us. Like, none of my friends. I'm not. Nobody is. I'm wearing a GoPro. I'm trying to capture some fishing videos, but I'm not catching any fish, so I'm sorry about that, guys. Motorcycling has not been happening very much because my hand still really hurts. For some reason, I can shoot a gun, but every once in a while, my hand will light up on me. Just not really ready to go hit the trail on a 600-pound motorcycle yet. But I do have some SHOT Show videos to edit. I got some other things, some interesting things, some not so interesting things. But trying to keep the content coming, guys. God bless you. Thank you so much for the support. Thanks for taking your time watching this video. Much more to come. like and subscribe. Any comments or questions, hit me in the comments below. God bless.